Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming power and permissions so nothing interrupts recording. Open the exact window or app you want to share, then quit background programs that may show notifications. Once done, open your screen recording or meeting app and accept microphone and screen permissions when prompted. Make sure you choose the right display if you have two screens. This avoids accidental exposure and audio issues, and it gets you straight to recording without redoing steps. Next, you select exactly what to share and why. Pick entire screen for demos, a window for a single app, or a browser tab for media. Once chosen, adjust resolution and frame rate, 30 FPS for slides, 60 FPS for smooth motion, and confirm microphone and system audio sources so people hear you and the app. Make sure to toggle optimize for video or cursor highlighting if available. These settings control quality and privacy, so tweak them before you hit share. Now you click share or record and immediately check the preview and audio meters so everything looks and sounds correct. During the session, use pause when switching tasks and stop when finished. Then save and name the file so it's easy to find. If people report no audio or a blank screen, first stop and restart the app, then re-grant screen or mic permissions in system settings. That quick restart fixes most problems and gets you back to sharing without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.